Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to add voiceovers to your video project in the CapCut video editor. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, so let me show you how it's done really quickly. Alright, in the first step, launch the CapCut video editor, start a new video project, and add a video clip you would like to use for your project by clicking on import here and by uploading your video clip from your computer or device, just like that. And next, place that video clip on your timeline by drag and dropping it, adjust its position and the length if needed. So now guys, if I play that video clip here in the preview mode, you will see or notice that this video is muted. So I would like to add a voiceover to that video clip to have some nice video narration in the background. And in my opinion, the fastest and easiest and most beginner friendly way to record voiceovers would be to use a voice recording software like Audacity for that, for example. You can download and use Audacity free of charge. Simply head over to their homepage, click on that download button here, install Audacity on your computer. It's actually a matter of a few clicks. And after that, plug in your microphone, guys, launch Audacity on your computer, press that red record button here and start talking to the microphone. Keep recording, and once you're content with your result, click on that pause or stop button here, click on file here in the top left corner and select export audio to save your voiceover on your computer, for example in MP3 format. There you go. And after that, head back to CapCut, upload or add your voiceover to your library by clicking on import here, located on your computer, add it to your library. And next, guys, select your added voiceover here and place it on a separate audio track here on your timeline below your video track, just like that. Adjust its length so that it aligns with the length or duration of your video clip. And that's basically it, guys. If you want, you may apply all kinds of effects and filters to your video clip as well as to your voiceover if you want. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.